Welcome to my garage, everyone. In this episode we have a nice Crescent 10-inch Crestalloy adjustable wrench. It's in pretty good shape, and so it needs a little love, so let's give it to it. Here we go. Here's a very nice Crescent 10-inch adjustable wrench in good shape. It works fairly smoothly. Just needs a little bit of cleanup, and that's what we do here. So let's give this little fella the treatment it deserves. I'm trying to get this thing apart, and all the other ones I've ever worked on, there's a screw on this little pin here. And you can use a small screwdriver to get it out, but this one does not have a screw slot, and it appears to be staked, because I can give it, I put some WD-40 in there, and I can give it a good whack like so, and see it tries to come out, but I think that little stake is keeping it from coming out. I could be wrong about that, but now I can give it a whack the other way and it goes back down. So I'm going to do a little work with the Dremel here and see if I can get that pin to come out. All right, with the Dremel around, eliminated the staking there, put some WD-40 down in there and gave it several good whacks, and I got it loose. So there's no threads on it, it's just staked in there. Here's the wrench disassembled. This does not have any threads in it. It just goes in there, and this looks like it's staked in there in place, so it won't come out. I used a diamond burr to knock the stake off and whacked it on like that on a block of wood a few times, and this thing fell right off. There was some gunk in there that was holding it in also. But some WD-40 and a little bit of work with the diamond burr took care of it. So now let's clean it up. Here's the wrench parts after a nice hot bath in the ultrasonic cleaner. And so I'm going to decide what to do next. That's not rust, I don't think. A little bit of crud on there. It's really not bad at all. I think maybe a session with the perhaps the fine conditioning belt and or the fiber wheel might be in order. Use the Dremel on this probably. So we'll get into that tomorrow. I'm not sure what that is. I don't think it's rust. I'm going to see if I can get it off of there. Man, that is smooth. It's just as smooth as silk. Nice. And I want to show you something here that I didn't notice until just now. See if I can find it. Where was it? If you look very, very closely, there's like a graduated rule here. You can barely see it. It says 10, 20, 30. I don't know. It's some kind of a measurement. I don't know exactly what it's measuring there, but I'll look into that and see what I can find out. I don't know if you can see that or not. See the graduations and the numbers? I never noticed it until just now. I didn't take this down any further than the fiber wheel. I didn't sand it or anything like that. Didn't do anything to the inside, but I did hit the outside with the fiber wheel and the conditioning belts. Fine conditioning belt. It really didn't need anything else. It's just a nice wrench. So. Here's the Crescent 10-inch adjustable wrench after some cleanup. It really works nice. Just as smooth as can be. Didn't really do much to it. Used the fine conditioning belt on the outside and these parts here. Took it apart, cleaned it up, oiled it up, left this part alone, and I think it's fine just like it is. I'm not sure where I got this. If somebody sent it to me, please let me know. I looked back in a bunch of my old videos and I couldn't find where someone sent it to me, but it's quite possible. So I don't really know where I got it. But if you recognize it and you send it to me, please let me know. So there you have it, my friends. The Crescent 10-inch adjustable wrench. I hope you enjoyed that cleanup of that Crescent Crestalloy 10-inch adjustable wrench. I enjoyed it, and I think it came out pretty well. So with that, I will say thank you very much for watching my video. Please leave me a comment, and we will see you next time. Bye now.